So today, let us address the nation to show people that we can reason in English. You know, it's the major weapon they are using, again, trying to blast us that we can't speak English.
Omukulu tasobya abakulu tutandika bagambako mwawulidde mutabani wa kamiliyoni.
Tulina ebintu bingi nnyo ebyokutunuulira era nga ati bagamba w'empaka akunama ebiri. Oyo ye Bajjo ne Kasuku azze ku interviewinga, Bajjo azze ku interviewinga. Ngera olutalo luliwo lwa ku ansaringa oba kuddamu Abba mu luzungu mu lufutifuuti nti mwe mulowooza nti Bajjo oluzungu talutegeera, kakati Bajjo azze muganda wange era yayogedde oluzungu lwe yayogedde. Naye nga sinaba kubeera nga nkuwa obutambi obuwerako nga bamuli n'obwa Bajjo ne Kasuku, Bajjo ng'agezaako okubeera nga annyonnyola mu luzungu. Ebintu bino byatuuse dda ne mu Banaddiini, kubanga Banaddiini batwala okuba nti amaka gabeera ga mugaso nnyo era bagitwala ng'ensonga enkulu. Kakati munnange ebigambo bya Abba byo bikyali waggulu nti akyaleebeza ddala ye bwe kuba kubeera nti nno awagirwa ayinza okuba ng'ali mu kyenda n'omusobyo.
Engero z'Abaganda kati zituuse okukyuka. Abaana Abaganda baga nti omukulu tasobya, si bwe tugamba. Kati omuntu akubye munne ekikone mu palamenti ebyo biba bikyakola amakulu. Ti omukulu tasobya. Abakulu tutandika bagambako mwawulidde mutabani wa kamiliyoni. Abakulu bemuneeyisa obubi tugenda abaana mutandika okugamba ku bakulu baba beesitaza mu bagambeko. Kati ebintu bikyuse ne gwozadde akubira engoma n'okola ki? Abavubuka temukkiriza abantu bakulu kuba misiridinga. Batandise okulwanira mu palamenti mu bagambe oba bibalemye mutuule wansi.
Twakitegeddeko nti Chameleone already mu ddwaliro gyali yamaze dde okubeera ng'asisinkana Alpha muto wa Abba ne ba family members abalala, naye tanaba kubeera ng'asisinkana Abba era nga obaoliawo ke kabonero akalaga nti yamunyiigira oba yamunyiigidde anti kati alina wizo ndowooza pika. Naye anti bagamba nga era bagamba nti abooluganda bita bibikolagira nti bikola ki tebyatika, era nsuubira okuba nti taata abeera taata era n'omwana abeera mwana. Anti bagamba munnange ne gwozaala kkubira engoma n'okola ki n'ozina, era ekyo ndowooza abagamba nti omukulu tasobya bandibadde ate n'ekyo bakimanya. Kigambibwa okuba nti amasimu ga Abba taata we yagabulookinze n'okubeera ndowooza ku social media handles zonna wa Facebook ndowooza neera zonna ze bakozesa WhatsApp nti yamubulookinze era tanaba kubeera ng'amusisinkana. Naye katusooke ne Bajjo ng'agezaako kunnyonnyola kuba ebya Abba twabitegedde dda era Kasuku adda nti yagambye simanya pig okay you are pig bwe bityo annyonnyola. Oluvannyuma Tamamirundi Junior naye ate amalirize.
Gentle, because we are addressing the nation about current affairs and issues which has been happening all along.
Have you switched off your
about phone? Us, me and you, about the entire social media. So today, let us address the nation to show people that we can reason in English. You know, it's the major weapon they are using, again, trying to blast us that we can't speak English.
They don't say blast, trying to blackmail us.
Even the guy blasted us. He blasted your head and mine. He said, look at his head. Me busy. So today I'm going to reply Mr. Me busy. I'm not going to mention his name. And my main opponent today is the mother to Mr. Me busy. Because Mr. Me busy is just a kid. I don't have his time. The reason why I'm replying him, by the way, I'm beating the snake, the real snake. Because according to my observation and common sense, it shows that this guy there is someone behind that boy. So we leave him to come and speak utter his nonsense. Remember, at social media, you have many hooligans. First point, at social media, there are many single mothers. Many, they left them. They don't look after their children or kids. So they combine all that. We
have already started. We are playing.
Are you mad?
We said you're going to speak English, please.
Kasoko,
so you're saying
way.
there's so many single mothers that are doing what?
That are biased with men.
Biased with men, how?
Because those single mothers, they are bad man. They blow. They
have bad manners. That's what you're trying to say. Please, we said English like the BBC. Like the BBC.
But we are like doing a rehearsal. The interviews, we are going to record it. Let us see whether this will work. That's good. But what you don't say so. Chokola babi mulaboboda. Uyaga abe mukwado.
Kati wadota.
Mbadde manyi nkola muri haso.
Wagambe tutandika. Bajjo fe twatandise dda.
Musinike ebinyo. The kid is fighting the war between her mother's whatever husband. How do you call? How the kid call it? You are here like a dead body.
Because I have a few questions.
If we were speaking in Uganda, you would have been shouting. Now English has humbled you.
No, the boy said. The boy said, when you see someone shouting,
but you,
they are not making sense.
You began this interview when you were citizens of different countries, but we cannot come and show and we twist the tongue. He comes to the life and he do what we call tongue twisting. Can you go to Raj? What
I'm listening to you. What do you
because
mean by tongue twisting?
Look at his head. Me busy. Hey, no, me busy. You busy. I've said you busy. I've repeated it. You busy. You busy. Because we are here, we have different. This Ugandanese, most especially, the Bible says, respect your mother and father, so that your days are not numbered on the earth. Even if you are not chameleonism. Mama Mayanja's son. At that age of that, Mr. Mibis is not responsible to call them evil. Biblically, culturally, and morally. And there are some allegations which is saying that the mother she's expecting someone might have been ballooned her. You know what are you laughing? Do you know that?
Impregnated.
But this is mature English for you don't know English.
Like you find your auntie Josephine Nabu aggrieved by your grandparents, kindly give them the due respect. Find an elder, find somebody in the family, find your auntie Josephine Nabukera, find your uncle Pius Mayanja, they are way older than you. Find Uncle David, find Uncle Kasozi, talk to them, pass on your grievances, handle issues.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna use simple 1 + 1 logic here for 2 seconds. All right. By the time I have to come on TikTok, I have to come on a public platform and address this issue publicly for the entire country to see. Do they think that was my first option? Do they think that I didn't exhaust everything else that I needed to exhaust before I came to the last resort? I didn't just wake up one morning, I'm like, oh, you know what, let's just post on TikTok. Let's just go on TikTok and post. You know what I'm saying? Bro, it's honestly shocking that someone like that cannot think about that. How do they not think about that? See my bed right here? They think that I just got up one morning out of this bed. You know what? Let's go and expose everything to the internet. Like as if I didn't exhaust everything I needed to exhaust.
Bobo yagala omuntu akwagala. Soko yagale mama we. Oyo mwana buli kimu yakiraba. Engeri gye mwayisaamu maama we obuzibu bwonna we buva gy'oleeta oli taata we obwa taata tebukoma ku taata taata kuliko ebigenderako omuli omuli bisajjasajja mbu naawe wazaala n'embuzi ezaala. Everybody can produce but not everybody can be a dad. buli omu asobola okuzaala n'embwa ezaala nate si buli omu kyasobola okubataaka
lwaki omulwadde waffe walakizale temumuleka mbwe engato gye yagenza ayambadde Timbaland ezitowa ate tasobola naye Mungu Allah you are great mulwadde wagairire pazo bamugobeza emigati naye bane ekibadde mu kasenge awo ekibadde mu kasenge ewa Kamiri Kasuku twetaaga twava detailed nga bwe yayingira olunaku lwe yayingira ate sente bali badde bazibba ofanga
nze buli kyobadde banyumiza kibadde ngayo
kati gwali abadde abikuwa kwa muddoyo tewalinyeyo naye ng'oyina info mbu abo babagoberwa kubba sente za mulwadde mbu big size agenda obikula piro ate omulwadde buli sente yadde bamuwadde agiteeka mu piro omulwadde badde bamukuba kalifomu ne bazitwala agenda okudde
nze babulidde kyenze nabulidde bwino gaidadde mufuna okuva mu ddwaliro